If you've ever tried making pasta, soup, or even a big family meal in a cheap pot that heats unevenly, sticks constantly, or boils over the second you look away, you already know how frustrating bad cookware can be. And honestly, a good stock pot is one of those kitchen tools you don't think much about until you really need one. So today, we're checking out the Kirecoo 8-quart stainless steel stock pot to see if it's actually worth adding to your kitchen or if it's just another average pot with fancy marketing. The Kirecoo 8-quart stock pot is designed for people who cook real meals regularly, whether that's soups, pasta, stews, sauces, or even canning and meal prep for the week. It's built to work across pretty much every cooktop, including Induction, and it promises even heating, easy cleanup, and enough capacity for family-size cooking without taking up your entire kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you notice is that this pot feels solid. It has that heavier stainless steel feel that usually gives you a little more confidence compared to thinner cookware that flexes or rattles around when full. The brushed stainless steel finish keeps it looking clean and simple without trying too hard to look premium, and honestly, that's a good thing. It fits naturally into almost any kitchen setup. The riveted side handles also feel secure, especially when the pot is full of water or soup, and that matters more than people think, because cheap handles are usually the first thing that starts feeling loose over time. The glass lid is another surprisingly useful detail. Being able to quickly check your pasta or soup without lifting the lid constantly actually helps keep heat and moisture inside the pot, and the steam vent prevents that annoying rattling or overflow pressure buildup during boiling. It sounds minor, but in everyday cooking, those little quality of life details genuinely make a difference. Performance-wise, this is where the Kirecoo pot becomes more impressive than expected for the price range. The thick multi-layer base distributes heat evenly, so you don't get those frustrating hot spots that burn one side of your soup while the other side barely simmers. Water heats up relatively quickly, especially on induction cooktops, and once the temperature stabilizes, it stays consistent. That's important for longer cooking sessions like stews or simmering sauces, where uneven heat can ruin texture and flavor. Another thing I appreciated is how manageable it feels during regular use. Even at 8 quarts, it doesn't feel awkward or oversized unless you fill it. For family dinners, meal prep, or making large batches of pasta, it gives you enough room without constant boilovers. And because the interior has a non-stick coating, cleanup is surprisingly easy for a stainless steel style pot. Most foods rinse off without heavy scrubbing, which honestly saves time after cooking. Now, it's not perfect. While the pot feels durable overall, the glass lid still requires some care, like any tempered glass cookware. You also shouldn't expect professional-grade restaurant cookware at this price point. If you're someone doing extremely high heat cooking every single day, there are heavier premium brands out there. But those also cost significantly more. Compared to similar pots from brands like Cook-in-Home or basic Amazon stainless steel stock pots, the Kirecoo stands out because it balances price, durability, and everyday usability really well. Some cheaper pots heat unevenly or feel flimsy after a few months, while higher-end cookware often feels overpriced for casual home cooks. This one lands somewhere comfortably in the middle. So overall, I'd say the Kirecoo 8-quart stock pot makes the most sense for families, home cooks, meal preppers, or anyone tired of dealing with thin, frustrating cookware that never cooks evenly. It's practical, easy to use, easy to clean, and versatile enough to handle most everyday cooking tasks without overcomplicating things. If you want a reliable stock pot that handles soups, pasta, sauces, and large meals without the usual headaches, this is definitely one worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check out the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or availability before it changes.